In the last 2 decades, Japanese have almost abandoned the two-wheelers. They majorly rely on public transport systems like buses and metros. But after the COVID-19 pandemic, Japanese two-wheeler market has improved by 1.4% from the previous condition. In this video, we are going to talk about the most popular and top-selling motorcycles in the Japanese market. So let's begin. Honda TMX 125 Alpha, a very simple and durable commuter bike. It has a 125cc air-cooled carbureted engine which produces maximum power of 10 bhp. Although it looks very outdated, but it is very reliable and efficient. With a finely tuned carburetor, this bike manages to give a mileage of 62 kmpl. Japanese people are well known for their high work ethic, and just like them, the Honda TMX 125 Alpha does complete justice with its purpose. Next in the list we have Yamaha NMAX. This maxi scooter is available in 125cc and 155cc engine variants. It is a comfortable scooter for daily commutes which is equipped with advanced features. Yamaha prepared the NMAX with more convenience and practicality in mind. Other than Japan, this scooter is also very popular in some of the Southeast Asian markets like Indonesia and Thailand. Honda Beat Fi, a scooter that's reinforced with bits of style and practicality in one affordable package. This 110cc scooter is one of the best for the urban commutes. It has the idling stop system, which automatically switches off the engine during traffic stops and backs on again when it's time to accelerate, which prevents unnecessary fuel consumption. For safety and security, it has combi brake system, a parking brake lock, and a side stand switch. At number 2, there is another commuter scooter, Yamaha Mio i125. Along with Japan, this is also the best-selling model in the Philippine automobile industry. The Mio i125 offers an exciting riding experience due to its lightweight construction. It carries a design language that makes it look otherwise and helps in attracting customers. And now the most popular two-wheeler in Japan, Honda Click 125i. Honda's constant efforts to make it an ideal urban runabout is the reason behind its popularity among the Japanese buyers. The Click 125i features a sports-style muffler with aluminum end caps, LED lights, and an overall sporty finish. It has 125cc engine with liquid cooling, which enables it to produce optimum power and a decent fuel efficiency. Hope you have learned something new from this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.